Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A50. So what we need for is the power button and the volume down button. And if you press these both buttons for the same time, you will have a screenshot. One more time, the power button and the volume down button, press it for the same time and you will have a screenshot. So there's another way to do that. If you have the phone like this, you can swipe with the edge of your palm across the screen and you have a screenshot as well. One more time, like this, and you have a screenshot as well. Okay, the thing to swipe across the screen, maybe you have to enable it. Go to the settings for, then scroll down to the point advanced features. Then we need to point motion and gestures, and then we need to point palm swipe to capture. And at that point has to be enabled that it works, and here you have a little instruction as well how it works. And when to find that screenshots, of course, at the gallery. And as you can see, I had already some twice before. And at the category albums, it has its own folder named screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. Maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.